Yo, so I just realized Lisa lied to me.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Hey guys, it is checkout day. I know we didn't do a lot of vlogging, but it was really about why we came here. Like, we came here for a wedding for one of my best friends and to bring my family to experience the love that we felt last night. So this weekend was really about appreciating the moment, putting electronics away and taking in the love. So we are going to check out now and go back to her apartment complex because there's an apartment there that we could all chill out. Not her apartment because she's gonna be, you know, enjoying married life for the first, the first 24 hours. You want to be able to like enjoy, or 48 hours. No, technically she's still in the 24 hours window, but we're gonna be where her family is. And that's another thing about our friendship. We've been friends for 20 years. So her family knows me very well and they treat me like family, and then by extension, they treated Dan and Kellan as their own. So we are going to head over there now. Dan already dropped off some of the items and now we're gonna go and bring the rest of our items and stuff and chill out. So I might vlog a little bit, but if not, you'll see us back home. So, beautiful people, we are back. We are ready to just be bombarding you with content. But yeah, the worst part subscribe if you haven't done it already. To the people who have subscribed, to the people who have supported, the people who have brought us to almost 12,000 views in the last like 5 months, we appreciate you. Continue doing what you're doing because we're going to continue bringing you the best content that we can bring you. I hope you missed us because we missed you, and we are going to be back giving you the best content that we can give you. You know when you just come back from a trip and you're like, oh, it was great, yay, but then you got to unpack and do laundry and all that stuff. So literally that's what we're doing. Make some breakfast for the family. I feel like some French toast. I don't think, yeah. We might not have enough eggs for that, but I feel like some French toast. I'm just telling him. I'm throwing it out there, seeing if he'll take the bait. But I feel like some French toast. I feel like French toast and strawberries, but we don't have strawberries either. But I could tell you what I wish for. Yeah. But yeah, guys, we really did miss you. But as I told you before, we were just trying to take in as much as we could, enjoy the family time, the friendship time, absorbing as much love as we could on our trip. So now is the nitty-gritty of cleaning up. Our goals for today are pretty much getting Dan relaxed and ready to go back to work because he works for one night tonight, and then we'll be having some fun. The plan is tomorrow when he comes back from work and stuff like that, we're going to be doing a series of On Our BS. We're going to just be dropping them. So we have a lot of topics that we want to discuss. If you have a topic that you'd like us to discuss, anything from relationships to some nursing topics to love and relationship advice that you'd like, drop it below. We'd love to hear what you guys would like us to answer. Gonna just start the day and get it going. Dan, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, subscribe.
I don't know if you could see him.
Subscribe again.
No, don't unsubscribe and then subscribe. If you got 5 accounts, everybody needs to subscribe. If you got 10 family members, everybody needs to subscribe. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notification because we do this often. But to all the subscribers that have been pushing up our numbers, to the people who made it almost 12,000 views, we love and appreciate you because we were working hard these last 5 months, and our goal in the next month or so is to get our subscribers amount up because we got our views. The people who are subscribed have been putting in some work. We got you guys. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys, and we hope that you continue to support us. but we still need more subscribers. The more subscribers we get, the easier our content will be able to be found by others, the easier we'll be able to continue to kind of push you know, more content out to, like, you know, to the masses. So again, if you haven't done it already, tell somebody about it. You know, subscribe yourself. But we do appreciate the support we've gotten from the subscribers that we have already. Yeah. So like Dan said, subscribe.
Alright, there we go. Alright, so impromptu, looks like we're going to end up doing a little review of this.
We're gonna do an unboxing real quick. We're gonna do an official review once we've kind of used it and stuff like that. But you guys,
So this one is beat, but it was good to us. Same
this
brand.
is actually our second one, just so you
Yeah.
remember. This is our second one.
And the same thing happens. We use it quite frequently, so I'm not gonna act like, you know, I know some people occasionally use it or kind of use it for like gimmicksy things. Like this was almost daily use.
Yeah.
Kellan,
Between sandwiches, you know, Kellan's little
like
grilled
hash browns
sandwich,
that
yeah,
he
hash
eats.
browns, exactly.
We kind of limit our microwave use, or like kind of use it in congruence and stuff. So if like we're warming up something like a taco, a burrito or something, we might use the microwave for a couple of like seconds to kind of just get it warm initially, and then toast it back in this. So there's a lot of things this gets used for.
So this new one does not have the waffle, what is this? The plates,
The griddle,
which is a little disappointing. But, you know, if you are going to, you know, college and you are living off campus, don't buy these if you're living on campus. Well, nowadays maybe you might be able to. But this is like you can literally do everything with this. Saute vegetables, you know, stir fry, sandwiches, eggs, if you want to fry your eggs that way. Yeah, so think about that. See if you get that approved for your college dorm.
Alright, so I was a little worried at first initially when I saw the box and you were saying this is going to be bigger
else
than
is
the
in
last one.
What else is in here? Damn.
I don't know.
Oh, the plates
Feels
must be
like
in
maybe
here.
the plates might be. So initially when I saw the box, I was a little worried about it, and I was also warned by Lisa, like, this one is bigger. But looking at it, it's bigger without being like ridiculously big. Like I was starting to get concerned because we're obviously still renting and saying, like, you know, if we don't end up in our ideal home, and we have to sacrifice something like a kitchen that's smaller than this.
Yeah, because this is a big size kitchen. Excuse the mess, guys, but you know real life.
Some of it is kind of useless space, or underutilized space is a better way of saying. Like I wear like between a size large, size medium glove, if that makes sense to you.
Yeah, so it is reasonably bigger.
But it's not like taking up like the microwave space.
Yeah, so originally this little one was over there, but Dan is trying to save this spot. He'll explain that to you in a short why he's leaving this spot.
I'm gonna end up putting something there, but just not the grill. I feel like we keep sliding back and forth the grill.
Yeah.
And moving things back and forth. So I would like ideally to grill from here.
You see, this man is moving around my kitchen because now where's he gonna put this? I'm gonna let him figure that stuff out. I will.
We got that. That's easy. It's an easy fix.
This was our prep spot that we moved the microwave. Originally was over there. We moved it over here. So I'm the one that kind of organized. Now it's his turn to organize.
This I think I'm gonna go back to. I'm gonna try to downsize some of this and put this back on the top of the fridge.
Okay.
And then that between that and that one, leave them up there, and then the towels maybe I'll put in that corner.
I'm not really sure about like cooking right here by the dishwasher and stuff like that.
Wow.
But I don't know. It just feels kind of awkward, and then the
think it's
The drying
new.
rack
I feel
is,
like
yeah.
if you get used to it.
We'll have to see about that. We'll have to see. But we're gonna start breakfast, and I'm gonna, like I said, unpack, do laundry, yitty, all that stuff. Oh yeah, you guys like the hair? This is day 3 of my boho braids on natural hair. the viral TikTok one. I tried it. I didn't record it because I was like, I was really trying to rush through it, and I wasn't sure what I was doing, so I didn't record it. You know how I am. All right, see you guys on the other side.
I'm at my local Publix. Let's check it out. So let's check out what we can find in the short amount of time that I'm allotted to be here, because it's also 7:30 and Lisa is more than halfway through the dinner, and there's actually something that I'm supposed to be picking up for dinner. So I don't really have a lot of time to kind of breeze through the store and see what's on sale. Plus, I'm not really anticipating a lot of things being on sale. Publix is more about convenience and also about like what I can't find in other stores. Anyway, let's check it out. Okay, so I'm not sure about this. We usually will get it actually at like, I think BJ's or like one of the wholesalers, but I think this is actually a good price for them. Makes them $2.50 for this. I'm gonna call Lisa on that one, and it's on everything, it looks like. So if you're into the Simply Juice ones, which we still end up watering down, but looks like they're at least at our location right now on sale. Yo, so I just realized Lisa lied to me. Alright, I know that's dramatic. She probably didn't realize, in all honesty, but she told me it was like 7:30, so I'm like, damn, I need to hurry up. It's 7, which is practically the same thing when you're talking about maybe 15-10 minutes drive coming and going, but at the same time it's also not the same thing. But regardless, I don't have a lot of time to walk around and really look around and see what costs what right now. So 12 for 6. That's actually a set price, or that's still good. I'll show you what I'm looking at instead of you guys watching me scroll. Pasta race eggs are the ones that we buy. Pasta race, to me and what research I've done and the people I follow, is more important than organic. Of course, if you can get organic pasta race, that's great too. But that means they go outside, they eat bugs more naturally than, just the cage-free thing is kind of a gimmick. I know that you're probably tired of hearing me get on my soapbox about eggs. Some people are like, ew, I don't even eat eggs. To each his own. Just do what you can when you can. Because I know personally there are things that I consume that are not necessarily the best and I could be doing better from. But I don't subscribe to like a holier than thou kind of thing. I'm always down to learn something and try to change it. I kind of look at like diet and food like science. Like what we know now, we do research and find out something better and modify from there. Anyway, let me grab what I actually came here for, which is the dough to try and make this rolls that we want to make to go along with the pasta, and get home and enjoy that time with my family. See you guys in a minute. Alright, I am definitely never going to subject you guys to a trip at Publix without showing you what is in this case here. I've seen them make this cake several times and it comes out pretty much the same. They're very consistent on how they make that cake, and for the size, and I think it's not bad. It's not a bad size. My wife is very weird. She's one of the few people I know that's like really not into Publix cake, but they're pretty good about their desserts and they make everything pretty much here in their bakery. My local one is always very good about asking if we need help, which I really like. I'll let you guys just enjoy looking around here, seeing if there's anything to point out. This is always weird to me. And everything, the last time I was here was Mayor's Lemon. I don't know if that was like a season or something. They still have some remnants. They have 3 left of this, which I might go ahead and pick up, because if you buy 5 and get 1 free, so 6. Let's finally go get what we're supposed to get. I think I might get tempted to get the macarons again. Let's do that. Okay, so not the biggest haul or walk around to really see what's going on, but I got this. This is on sale. This is only $2.50, and this is what we ended up coming for. They have like a Italian pizza dough that they have one that's actually already kind of made out. That's like $3.99. We got this one because we're gonna do rolls out of it. And then I got the last 3 of the Mayor's lemon macarons. I had to, and we're gonna get Kellan the popcorn chicken, which Lisa said the last time we got it he didn't eat, so didn't decide to commit to a big one, but still taking a gamble that he might not like it. We need to hurry up because not only is the phone dying, but Lisa is very hungry and still has to wait on these to be made, so we'll probably end up eating and then end up having the rolls later on. That's what I'm thinking we're gonna work around. Well, let's see. Let's at least get home and see what it is.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time.